On today's adventures, we're going to be shooting a Keurig coffee maker. My wife and daughter are going to take their frustrations out on this Keurig with the Ruger 1022. All right, we'll see if it actually goes all the way through, what's inside this sucker once we pop it with a few rounds and all that. But all right, let's get to it.
Center part, like the little screen.
Go down a little bit. Aim lower.
That went through.
All right, you could see we shot it all around there. Okay. Screen up in there, everywhere. Okay, this is the front. This is the water reservoir, which was empty. These ones went through. Obviously, there's nothing, not a lot of metal in there, so those ones went through. But anything on this side, which I'm assuming there's a motor right in here, or some metal, probably where like a stainless steel reservoir where water gets heated up or something like that. These ones didn't go through that were shot this way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it sideways now and we're gonna shoot it again. All right, so we shot the remainder of the bullets through the side here, where we suspected would be the thickest part. We were correct, because they didn't even get into the water reservoir part or exit. Obviously, if they didn't get in there, they didn't exit at all. Not a single one. So the heating element, I'm assuming, which is probably like a stainless steel thing, and then also the motor stopped all of the bullets. Pretty cool. Pretty snazzy.